All right, everybody, we're going to go ahead and start this. This says the local mini golf place is putting down new artificial grass for the course. How many square feet will they need to cover the green grass? So, two things give you a hint here: square feet and cover. That means that we are working on area. Okay, so we're going to look at this, and I'm going to look at this picture and I'm going to say, all right. First of all, if I draw a line here, I've got a triangle, then I've got a rectangle, but then I'm going to have to cut out a piece in the middle. So there is a lot going on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write. I'm going to say, okay, I want to do a triangle first. Then I'm going to add the area of my rectangle. I'm just drawing pictures. But then I'm going to subtract the area of that square. All right. So I'm going to start with my triangle. So my triangle formula, oops, sorry about that. I don't know how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and just type it here. 1/2 base height. Make sure to look up your formulas in your formula sheet so you don't make mistakes. So we've got 1/2 base height. So I'm going to look and I'm going to look at this base right here. What is the base of my triangle? Well, that would be the same as this down here. So my base, I don't know why my pen is doing that, I'm sorry, is 8. And my height is going to be from here to here, which is 7. So I'm going to come right down here, and there is 7. Okay? So that gives me 28. So I'm going to write 28 right there. And I'm going to add the area of my rectangle. Well, the rectangle, the formula is LW. So I'm going to need a length and I'm going to need a width. So let me start by finding the length. The length of that rectangle, if you look right here, is 14. Okay? And the width, if you look down at the bottom, is 8. So that gives me the area of my rectangle is 112. All right? Now I have to cut out that square in the middle. But I'm going to go ahead and use my rectangle formula again. All right? So I need my length and my width. So it looks like it is 4 by 4. So my length is going to be 4 and my width is going to be 4, which tells me that that little part in the middle that we're cutting out is 16. So now I'm going to take all of these numbers over here. I'm going to start with 28. Whoops, sorry about that. Let me get rid of that. I'm going to start with 20. I keep doing it. I'm going to start with 28. And I'm going to put that here in my calculator. I'm going to add 112. And finally, I'm going to cut out or subtract the 16. That means I have 124 square feet that I have to cover with artificial grass.